Good morning. I am drinking water.
I am brushing my teeth. I am eating breakfast. I am going outside. I open the window and enjoy the fresh air. I make my bed every morning to keep my room clean.
I like to walk in the park and see nature. I sit on a bench and relax for a few minutes. I see green trees and beautiful nature around me. I drink water to stay healthy and hydrated. The book is on the table. The ball is under the table. The bag is between the two chairs. I am standing near the window.
I am standing far from the door. The pillow is on the chair.